What's up, guys? Welcome back here. Another quick review. Auxbeam LED light bulbs. Got these off Amazon. I'm gonna check them out, see how these look. These are H4 bulbs, and they will be going on this Toyota Tacoma. Unfortunately, the one on the right side there ended up burning out, so I'll be replacing them both. The ones that it has right now are just generic eBay $10 ones, and they work great for about 6 months. So I wonder what these are gonna be. So stay tuned. So this side is the one that ended up burning out. If you've never changed H4 bulbs, very easy. There's a little spring here. A little spring that goes around the bulb. You just push it in and bring it up, and the bulb should pop right out. As you can see, they're connected. This is the one that actually ended up burning out. Doesn't work anymore. So unplug that, plug the new one in, pop the other one. So they're installed. Super easy install. I'm gonna wait for nighttime here so I can show you guys what they look like, and super easy install on these. So alright guys, and here's a pattern on these. Nighttime, obviously. These need to be pointed down because this truck is a little lifted. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the results of these. Very quiet. Not much fan noise, you can barely hear it. But the pattern on these are awesome compared to the generic eBay ones that I got for like 13 bucks. These are pretty cool. Highly recommend them. Good price point. Okay guys, this is going to be all for today. Thanks so much for watching.